Right, news coming in. Sensex has dropped about 700 points at 74,586. Nifty has dropped 200 points at 22,578. Remember, Monday market, very important. As in when it opened, Sensex and Nifty have hit on global cues. The US markets have been down over the tariff threats with regard to elections that have happened in one of the European nations. There has been uncertainty to a lot of measures. Remember that markets are not independent when it comes to political incidents that do take place. There are tremors, there are repercussions of what happens in the political sphere that could find a representation in the markets as well. So amid certain uncertainty with regard to tariff threats, the US markets have been down. Sensex dropping 700 points, Nifty dropping 200 points, and Sensex Nifty both have hit on global cues as well. So we'll try and get more details on what exactly is the reason, what is happening on this front, and can this revive anytime soon? Look at that, all in red, going down. Right now, Sensex is at 74,586, as we can see. This, of course, is a developing story. Nifty pointing at about 22,578. And especially remember, in the backdrop of the statements that have come in, whether it's from Donald Trump, ever since the US elections have taken place, the markets have definitely witnessed a lot of fluctuations. Remember the previous one that we saw when the whole Adani controversy had happened? That is when the drop was also seen. Joining me, my colleague from Business Today, Sakshi, is tracking all the latest on that. Sakshi, good morning. Tell us more. What does this red mean? Why suddenly this massive dip?
Well, good morning to you, Pooja. Not a very good morning for stock market investors. This is the fifth straight day of losses that we are seeing for the Indian stock markets. Already 5 lakh crore rupees of a loss is what investors have seen, as the BSE listed companies have actually seen a 5 lakh crore rupee of a drop as far as the market capitalization is concerned. That's the kind of massive sell-off that we have seen today. What are the key reasons? Well, continuous, Donald Trump tariff talks that have been coming in for various sectors, for pharma, for auto, for semiconductors, and all of this has led to a sharp drop across the sectors over the last 4 or 5 sessions, and it continues unabated. Also, the global markets that were so far in a fine and fettled shape, if you look at the US markets last Friday, they've actually seen a 2% drop on the IT, Wall Street index, that's NASDAQ, and all the other Wall Street indices have also slipped. So that is also added on to the pressure. And the FIIs that have been continuously pulling off money. Even on Friday, we saw 3,500 crore rupees of a sell-off coming in for foreign investors, and that continues unabated. All of this put together has led to sharp sell-off in the pressure. We've lost crucial levels. Remember, last 8 days in the markets, 22,800 on the Nifty was struggled to be protected, but that has been given up today. We are at 22,600 right now. Experts believe we could actually be at a risk of slipping further to 21,000 levels as far as the Nifty is concerned. Remember, February is the 5th ongoing month for the markets on a declining level. In case we end February on a negative note, Pooja, this will break the Nifty's 28-year-old record, when the Nifty would have fallen for 5 straight months. A 28-year-old record-breaking history on the negative side is what we will see, and that's not a good news for Indian stock markets and the investors.
All right, Sakshi, thank you very much for tracking all the latest on that. Clearly a reflection, remember, of the statements that global leaders tend to make, or the developments there can have an impact on the markets too. We'll be tracking that and more on Business Today. Thank you very much, Sakshi Bhatt.